forgot to mention the last 3 or 4 videos were all sponsorship stuff. Got it for free. We got another sponsorship. This is a huge box. Recording on the iPhone 6s Plus without an external microphone this time, so the audio may or may not sound that great. Doesn't really matter. Let's open it up. A LetsFit fitness tracker is what I'm going to be looking at first. It's kind of like a Fitbit. At least it's what the guy that sent it to me emailed. Said in the email that it was kind of like a Fitbit. With your transparency app, you can scan this code. You can do that for me. Hopefully it doesn't give you any information about me. But yeah, we're going to do this. It's basically a Fitbit from what I've seen. I didn't expect it to come in such a small box. Fitbits, for the most part, are not 100% accurate. Nothing man-made is 100% accurate. You're going to have, like, when you're walking, let's say you're just sitting down, you have your Fitbit turned on, you forget to turn it off, and you swing your arm, you tap your fingers, it's going to count every other one as a step, even though you're just sitting. So they're not going to be accurate. They're not going to accurately count. Oh, so you have to actually build this one. This one has instructions. Gently pull the bands of the tracker body following the direction of the arrow. Okay, this is interesting. And some of this stuff, you know, we do resell. We don't keep all of it. I've given Job some of his stuff. I've given Ashley, I think, 1 or 2 things, and I've given my sister and mother some things, and some other reviewers that aren't family, Jamie and stuff. She's gotten stuff, and they either keep the stuff, they resell it. That's what you get too. You get free sponsorship stuff, especially the female demographic. We are looking for them because, I mean, I'm getting stuff like purses, and I want to get, like, you can get free makeup if they see your video reviews and stuff. So pull the bands off the tracker and insert. Okay, pull the bands off the tracker. Pull the bands off the tracker and insert the built-in USB plug into a USB port for charging. Oh. So here is your USB. You have to plug it into a USB port. But the thing is that one of your bands fits over it. So you gotta snap it on. Goes on just like that really easily. Other side. And you can, I guess you can buy different strap colors. Boom. Boom. And this does have Bluetooth technology for connecting to your phone. Okay, so I'm back an hour later, and it was done charging. The thing is so cool. You plug the USB right into your phone charging dock, your TV, your computer, mini laptop, anything. It only takes, well, with the phone dock it only took an hour, but with a computer it would usually take 2 to 3 hours, 3.5 hours. Laptop probably 4 hours. But yeah, that was pretty fast. I was shocked. I did 4 bike laps around here, and then it was just done. It LED is red, and then when it's done charging, the LED just disappears. And the screen does work. You tap this little there's like a little symbol right here. Tap it, it vibrates. Screen does turn on. It is a little bit dim right now, but you can change the screen brightness of it. I think I need to get the app. One thing you learn about the fitness watch is that there is a setting in the app to brighten the screen. It has 5 levels, and the 5th level is still super dark. It turns out I had the screen on the 5th level when I showed you earlier, and that's how bright it is. It's very hard to see during the day. It's very hard to see during any light. At nighttime, it lights up pretty well. Indoors, it lights up pretty well. The app does an okay job. As you can see, I used it for a total of 15 minutes. I had an 84 beats per minute average heart rate, and I did 1 lap. All in all, I'd say that, is this a replacement for a bigger brand? Yeah, it can be, but it won't be as accurate. But even the Fitbits, I've seen stories and reviews stating, even from professionals, that they are not 100% accurate either. Really, it doesn't even matter. The one advantage you'll get with the Fitbit is that you'll have a super bright screen. With this one, you've got to use it indoors or at nighttime because it's not bright enough.